Hey guys, this is how you quickly extract a .mbox file and get all the email addresses into one CSV. So what you're going to want to do is when you're in your Gmail, you can go to google.takeout and then download all of your mail data, and you can choose what you want to download. You can just click next step and you go through the export progress, and then you'll be able to download your .mbox file. So after you have your .mbox file, you can go to this GitHub that I created, and then you can download all these three files here. You can do that by cloning the Git or just downloading it as a zip. So once you've downloaded all the files, extract it into a folder like this, and then also put your .mbox file into another folder. What you want to do is you want to open a command prompt. You do that just by typing cmd at the top. Then you're going to want to type this command here. And wait for it to install. So after the requirements have installed, you want to type python mbox underscore extractor.py. So after that, you're going to want to go to your mbox file, select it, right click it, and then click copy as path. And then back in the control panel, just paste it there. So you want python mbox extractor py, and then the path to your .mbox file. So after that, just press enter and then it'll process it. Depending on the size of your mbox file, it could take, anywhere from a couple minutes to like a couple hours, right? So if you're running like a 200 gigabyte mbox file, you have a big inbox, it's going to take a long time to extract, but it will do it. Okay, so now that it's extracted, you can see here I have the .csv. I can open it and I can see all the emails associated with that account. So it'll show all the emails I sent, all the emails that I received, every single email address. That's pretty much it for this. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.